Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I like to quit. Love that never seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely crowd.
Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel has come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. It's utterly impossible. And it's the silence that frightens me the most. I wander from room to room like a lost songbird whose wings have been ripped off and keeps hurling itself against the bars of its dark cage. Let me out. Where's all the fresh air and the laughter? But then I remember the Jews that are not in hiding, and I know that I live in paradise. We're as quiet as baby mice. Who would have thought in a million years that Quicksilver Ann would have to sit still for hours on end? But what's more, could.
Has anyone seen my other shoes?
Shoes?
You took them again, didn't you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Be sorry.
Am I?
Absolutely.
I'm waiting. Oh, I'm waiting. Oh, you're so strong. I didn't know you were so strong. I didn't know I was strong. No! Come on, Peter, dance with me.
I don't know how.
I'll teach you.
I don't want any lessons.
Please! Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in